going on YouTube? Diaz Dan back again with another video. We got the Air Jordan 12 cherries on deck, man. You know how long I've been waiting for these right here. I know a lot of you guys also been waiting for these to drop. Finally, 2023, they're dropping them. And I got them on deck, about to give you guys a detailed review on the on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. The Cherry 12s, man. Last time they were released was back in 1997. Been a long time, but they finally back, and I'm so excited to have these in the collection. One of my favorite Jordan 12. I'm gonna show you guys how they look, how the quality is, and all that good stuff. I don't have the old pair, so I can't show you those, but yeah, we're just gonna get straight into it, show you guys a couple of things about the shoe, show you how they look on feet, get straight to the point, and you guys can decide if you want to pick them up or not. So let's get straight into it. All right, we're gonna start off with the box. OG 12 box, Nike swoosh. Take a look at the size tag reads Air Jordan 12 retro. The colorway is white, black, varsity red. Inside the box, you got your regular paper, and that is it. I love red. Red is my favorite color. Sorry for the wind. Red is my favorite color, and these are just a must. We're gonna start off with the outsole. Black hits. You got your carbon fiber shank plate in the bottom with the white. All red outer sole, 23 and white right there with the Jumpman in black. Very, very nice. Front of the toe, we got the tumble leather. You do got your reptile print right here. White laces going up on the tongue. It's in leather also. You got the black Jumpman stitched in. TWO 323. Tumble leather on the upper. Look at that tumble leather. Very, very soft. Very nice quality. Jumpman in red. All red on the midsole, following going towards the back, you got the white. Now when you get to the medial side, medial same as the lateral, you got your red on the midsole, following with the white on the upper and the tumble leather. You got your red reptile print right there. Silver eyelets with the Jumpman on it. Fire. I don't know if y'all can pick it up. You got a red Jumpman in there. Black inner sole, black sock liner. Back of the shoe, you can see you got that 23, got your Jordan. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever, 23 in white. Pull tab with the Jumpman right there in red. But yeah, classic colorway right here. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment sections below. Are you copping or are you passing? I'm about to show you guys how they look on feet. Let me know if you're going to be going for these or not. Now, as for sizing, I do recommend you go true to size. You'll be good to go. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Also, subscribe to the channel. Got more videos to come. And thank you all for my day ones. I appreciate all you guys, man. Enough talking. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan. I'm gone.